without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. Takers and givers, I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I usually give away my best, but get into this reset, get into this reset, get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Only on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I'm...
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Premium Lace Wig. Shop you Premium Lace Wig for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig, one thing I want to say about this company, y'all, they always come through with this. Honey, can every company come through with this? Okay, give me the details and specs on a card. Okay, girl, love that. So it says, the hair length of this unit is 26 inches. The color is blonde highlight. You guys see it. All right. The hair type is Brazilian virgin hair. The texture is body wave. It's a 13x6 lace wig cap. It's 150% density and it is a medium cap size, and the lace color is transparent. Huh. Okay, so those are all the details and specs that they sent me. Now I do want to go ahead and say I did not have to tweeze this wig. I did not have to bleach this wig whatsoever. Only thing I did do was apply my Ruby Kisses powder. You guys can check my Amazon store if you guys want to look into that. But that's all that I had to do to this wig. Okay, girl. So everything else that you guys see, honey, she woke up like this. Okay. She woke up like this. She woke up like this, girl. Okay, so other than, oh, I did add this baby hair, this one baby hair. You guys know I'm on that one baby hair kick. Okay, girl, I'm on that one. And if you guys see me keep looking over here, I know somebody done called me out for it. Like, girl, you just
the whole time you doing this video, you looking at yourself.
Girl, yeah, you should see me next to a mirror, girl. If I walk by a mirror, I'm like anyways, I'm looking because I got this stuff on my teeth, and honey, these teeth be teething, and I ain't used to these kind of teeth, so I gotta make sure I ain't got no lipstick on my teeth. So I keep looking over there for that, for my own personal insecurities. But anyways, I digress. With this wig, I didn't have to tweeze it, I didn't have to bleach it. All I did was slap that one baby hair right there, girl. Slap that one baby hair right there, and that's it. That's all she wrote. And I did add some layers and some curls, but for the most part with this wig, oh girl woke up like this, and she's giving spring, honey. So that's why I threw on my little spring fit, because she's giving spring. This color is giving spring, and spring is almost here, honey. When we got up early this morning, 6 o'clock this morning, okay, because we got to get up early around here because kids got school and all the teens. It was 68 degrees here in Bama. I don't know about where you at, but here in Bama, it was 68 degrees. So, honey, it's giving spring already. So, yeah. As far as shedding and tangling, I experienced none of the things. It's not to say old girl won't do any of the things at some point, just straight out of the packaging, old girl's doing none of the things. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, I think you can make it work across the board. I did have to cut off some lace, so in my personal opinion, I am an average cap size girl. I am an average cap size girl. In my personal opinion, this wig is more medium to large head friendly than small to medium head friendly, honey girl. Do what you want to do with that, girl, because like I said, I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and old girl is rocking a medium head, okay? she right here, Chrissy, medium head. So do with that what you want to do with that, but in my opinion, it is a unit that can go from medium to large, because I did have to adjust the straps. So whenever I have to adjust the straps, I deem a unit to be more big head friendly than not. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as all the details and specs on this wig. If you're interested in my pros and cons, well, it's full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this unit is gonna be, it says it's a 13 by 6, and it's 13 by 6. Okay, so it says 13 by 6 lace wig. So it's giving the same 13 by 6 that I'm used to with high-end units. So yes, it's a lot of space. So you can go further back. I can go on back. I did a C part, but it's still some space to go back. But on the sides right here, there's not a lot of space. So child, that's just gonna have to be my con, because I couldn't think of nothing else. So that's gonna be the con. Now my pros, I love this color. I love that I ain't have to bleach it. I love that I ain't have to tweeze her. Okay, I ain't have to tweeze her. I love that. Okay, I love the color, and even though it says 150, to me it gives kind of 180. Y'all let me know what y'all think, but that's a pro too. So those are gonna be all my pros with this unit. Girl, you heard my pros. Let's move on. You heard my pros. All right, let's give this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it, if you think it's cute, if you think it's a vibe. Let me know all the things down below in the comments. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Premium Lace Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys, as I stated, are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HelpToMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love next time. Bye.